Hey YouTube, today I'm putting in a no-dig border retaining wall for some landscaping that I'm doing. This process is pretty straightforward and really goes pretty quickly. Once you have your stones picked out, then there's really not that much to it. The first thing you want to do is you want to lay down some weed block under the stones because you don't want to have weeds coming up through your stones. It'll make your life a lot easier. But once you lay down part of the weed block, I would start putting down some of the stones to hold it because if it's windy at all, the weed block blows around. Once you start laying out your stones, though, this process really starts to move pretty quickly. You're going to need a level because you want to make sure that the area is level, and you might need a little shovel, a hand shovel, so you can level the ground underneath it. But once you start going, basically what you want to do is check with the level. If the area is not level, you may need to add a little dirt or take a little dirt away. But it really does go fairly quickly once you start. And unlike dig landscape that you have to dig out, this really, you just make sure the ground is level as you move along. And and then this whole thing moves really quickly. I did my whole wall in probably under an hour. You literally just go from stone to stone and keep making sure you're level, keep laying it out. Now, in this case, I did not use any mortar under the base. I do know that you probably have some people going to say, well, if you don't use mortar, then the stones are going to move or they're going to sink. It is possible that'll happen, but I could always just put a little bit of dirt underneath of it if they sink down at all. It really isn't much to it, so it goes relatively quickly. And you'll see in a minute how well this works holding back my landscaping stone. So this is what I look like when the project was just about complete. So I turned around, I put in the no-dig landscaping. It went really quickly, and then it was able to hold back the stone behind it. So it really worked out great, and the border part of this project really went quickly. I think I did the whole thing, like I said, in less than an hour. It took me longer to go and get the stones than it did to actually lay them down. So it's something that anybody can do on their own. So if you need to build any kind of bed edging or retaining wall, it is something you could really do yourself. You basically just level everything out and um, and start putting down your stones. You put down your weed block, you put down your stones, and then you're really all set. That's really all there is to it. This project went quick and easy, or at least that part of it. So it's something that you could definitely do at home. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a great day.